So we have a picture that I'm going to show you in a minute. And it has Mommy and me loving each other and a line in the middle, but hearts in the real middle, telling us that we love each other. Let me see. Okay, so here's the one that wasn't really good.
Oh, yeah.
And here's the one that was the best.
So this is me, and this is my hair, and this is me and him, and we love each other.
Let me draw my hair, and then I'll show you my hair on the picture in a minute.
I have Hadar here, and he is editing my picture, and I don't know if I want him to edit anymore. You want to know why?
Okay, Mommy,
You want to tell us why?
Because he can see all my flaws.
Mama, I have a surprise. This is Abigail and you loving each other because we're both girls.
And Abigail, what? Wait. Oh, you drew the hair too long?
Yeah.
So you just made it into Abigail now?
Yep.
But your hair's not green. Yeah?
But I'm using the green to show them that my hair is green.
Yeah, okay.
Oh no.
It's a great picture. I'll put it on the fridge and stuff.
No, I'll put it on the fridge. I'll draw one with you and me loving each other.
Okay.
I'm green on that picture. You're
All
pink
right.
on that picture.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Because I'm a boy and you're a girl.
Yeah. We're going somewhere special tomorrow, but I'm not going to tell you where. You'll have to watch tomorrow's video. And today we're going to go and get something special that we already have, but was just, we need to go pick up again. So I'm not going to tell you that yet because this one's standing here.
Go ahead, Rafael. Put it up. Put it on.
It's putting on her shoes again. I put them on earlier, but she took them off, so we're fixing to leave right now. Neil said he needed to puke, but we're not sure, so he's going to stand out here for a little while. I don't think he's going to puke. I think he swallowed some water down his windpipe because he was coughing like that, and then he couldn't talk. You know, he's like that. So it's like, go like, Are you okay? So I think that's what happened. I'm not sure. You feel better?
Yeah.
Okay. Abigail, be quiet. We can't be super creepers if you're making noise. Whoa. What is going on with that? Okay, we got a gift for tomorrow plus some extra wrapping. They wrap it there. So I got some extra wrapping for another present that I want to wrap for her too.
Early. Look at her. Early. Abigail. Are you hiding from me, Abigail? Are you hiding from Daddy? There's nowhere to hide. Do you like the song, Abigail? Do you like the song, Abigail? Do you like it?
Oh no, spiders!
Oh no. Turn your head long enough, you find a spider.
Hey, Rafael. Rafael.
Wow, my thumbs up. My thumbs up.
She's fingers the camera.
Can I just say that it took me an hour and a half to find a gift? Can I just say that? Because I wanted to get something else. I wanted to get a certain thing that goes along with the other present, but I couldn't find any. So that was irritating. But I think she'll like what we got her.
Don't shut the door.
What are you doing, Hadar?
No.
Getting his thing on here. messing around? Both of you. Calm down. You got issues?
Yeah.
Then breathe deep. Count to 4.
Before you roar.
Please put Abigail's shoes on.
So every time we go out, we have to do a inspection, because that's what my husband does. He inspects things.
Not an inspection. Not right.
That's his profession, really. Do it for a living. You inspect things.
Kitty!
Will you stop? Will you stop it?
Stop it, Kenny. Stop. Speak to the microphone. What's you doing then? If not an inspection, what you doing?
Adjusting his brakes because they're touching.
Didn't they fix it today, though? Okay, we picked it up. We picked it up from the people who are fixing it. My kids like to walk the line. Where you at, Abigail?
Next to the rocks. She is.
Where you at? Oh no, you're stuck. Oh, you're stuck. She's stuck now. Oh, there you go. Good job. I knew you could do it. Somebody left a comment saying that we're not helicopter parents, and that is absolutely true. I have pushed Rafael to get out of sticky situations before I run and help him. I will push him to do it himself. And that has helped him in his life already. Isn't that right? Yeah. Abigail, did you do it all by yourself? Well, she's still going. Abigail, come here. Did you do it all by yourself? Almost done. Good job. No, you're not gonna fall. Whoa! Whoa, you fell.
I fell too much.
You fell too much, I know. Short girl problems too.
You know that there's a rate of how my weight was feeling so teeny since I started riding you.
Good job, Abigail. You gonna jump?
Totally.
Yay! Boing, oing, 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 oing.
I did.
You did it all by yourself. Good job. What you want?
You're so fast, Abigail. Slow down, Abigail. Too fast for Daddy. Slow down.
Uh-oh.
What happened, Abigail?
Your friend's all the way back there.
Rafael, slow down. Here.
I don't know if I'm in the frame. Can you see? Because I'm blind. I can't see. I think it's cutting my head off. Two different people today saw us at the mall in Kiryat Gat. Why didn't you come up and say hi? next time you see us, because like it's such a small town too, like, you know, we go to Beersheba, everywhere around Beersheba all the time, and nobody says that they know us. So that was a little strange that we went to Kiryat Gat and 2 people messaged us and said that they saw us at the mall today there. So it was really weird. Next time, come up and say hi.
Don't be shy. Say hi. You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
I almost fell off. Daddy!
Good job, Abigail.
Be happy with what you have, always. Because it can be worse. Yeah.
This is fun, guys.